Are you tired of being told your only option for pain are pills, shots, or surgery? At Elite Spine and Joint, we are not your typical pain clinic because, frankly, the system is broken and patients deserve better. Here is the reality. The traditional healthcare model waits until your pain is unbearable before stepping in. You are bounced around between doctors, delayed by insurance, and told to just live with it. Meanwhile, chronic pain is like a prison. It locks you in, steals your time, your energy, and your freedom. Think about it. How many days have you lost because of pain? How many moments with your family, hobbies, or even sleep have slipped away? And then, when you finally seek help, you are met with quick fixes, cookie cutter care, or worse, recommendations for surgery you are not ready for. That's not healthcare. That's a broken system. That's why we created Elite Spine and Joint. We disrupt the old model by acting early, treating root causes, and giving you control back. No scalpels, no insurance hurdles, just advanced non-surgical regenerative care for your spine and joints. Here, you are not a chart number. You are a person with a story worth healing. Every treatment is precise, data-driven, and designed for lasting results. This is not a discount medicine. It is premium, thoughtful care that restores your freedom to live fully. If you are ready to break free from pain and reclaim your life, take the first step today. Call Elite Spine and Joint or visit elitespinejoint.com to schedule your consultation. Don't wait for pain to control your story. Let's write a better one together.